Hello, Astros. I'm Indra from Inkar IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the 13th February current affairs. The topic taken from the Delhi edition. The topic is AI can make drug testing precise and relevant to the human biology. In this topic comes under our GS3 Science and Technology Development and their application and effects in everyday life. In this topic, we are going to discuss about AI in drug testing and about the process of drug development and generative AI drugs and role of AI drug development and discovery. What are the limitation usage of the AI in drug development? What are the limited use of AI drug development in India? These are the things we are going to discuss today's topic. First of all, why it is in the news that is the AI can make drug testing that more precise, relevant to the human biology. The regulator and the pharmaceutical industry have traditionally banked there is an animal model's response to the compound to assess whether a drug candidate can proceed to human clinical trial, but there's a growing body to work suggesting we need to improve the quality of data available at this stage. On January 6, the US Food and Drug Administration, that is FDA, proposed the draft guidelines that use of the artificial intelligence to assess the safety and effectiveness of the drugs. The influenced body has said that last decade the number of submissions from the drug makers that include the AI machine learning component have seen an exponential rise. These are only such submission per year 2016 and 2017. First of all, AI in drug testing, enhancing precision and also the human relevance. Artificial intelligence, that is a revolutionizing the drug discovery and testing, making the process faster, more precise and also more relevant to the human biology. The advent of artificial intelligence has opened up the world possibility with respect of the fast tracking drug development. First of all, there is a target identification and validation. There is a step drug development, identify the validating the biological target, usually a protein that the drug will interact with. A protein is considered to be a suitable drug target if it can bind with a potential drug molecule as at a specific size, making it druggable. Example, the new drugs formulated through AI was DSP 1181 for obsessive compulsive disorder, Halcin for antibiotic resistance, BMS 986195 for potential treatment of the fibrosis. And also there is a discovery phase. First of all, during the discovery phase, the computational method analyzes a target protein sequence to identify the best drug molecule from a vast digital library. That computer models predicted drug binding sites in the protein, reducing the need for the time-consuming lab methods. Preclinical test. There is a potential drug is identified. It enters the preclinical phase, that the drug tested on cell cultures and animal models and also evaluates safety, toxicity, efficacy and also potential adverse effect before the human trial. There is a clinical trial, that is clinical trial test to the drug to the human. There is a multiple phase. First, a small group receive a drug and evaluate the safety and tolerance. Then the larger group tested and monitor the efficacy and further assess their safety. There is a regulatory approval and marketing. After successful the clinical trial, the drug undergoes the rigorous reviews by the regulatory bodies to ensure the safety and effectiveness. Once approval, about deep neural network. First of all, deep learning neural networks as artificial neural network that attempt to mimic the human brain through a combination of data inputs, weights and biases. The neural network, which comprises the numerous small nodes akin to brain neurons, when it by a stimulus, the system activates the process in these nodes, which are generally grouped into a layers. There is a generative AI drug. So it refers a medicine that developed using the AI techniques that can generate new molecular structure and predict the efficacy, safety and also potential side effect. There is a post-market surveillance. After the drug release, ongoing surveillance monitor. There is a real world effectiveness and any long-term side effects not evident during the clinical trial. These are the main concept, and also there is a role of AI development, in drug development and discovery. There is an enhanced targeted discovery. First of all, they particularly through advanced tool like AlphaFold and Rose TTA Fold that revolutionize the target discovery by accurately predicting the three-dimensional structure of protein, that is DNA and RNA. The ability allows for a more precise understanding and how drug can interact with the biological target, and also there is a improved accuracy and also efficiency. The AI model drastically reduce the time required the drug target interaction studies and also increase the accuracy and these predictions. For instance, AlphaFold, that is a 3 predicted drug target interaction with a 76% of the accuracy. That is a substantial improvement over the previous method. And also cost reduction. There's a cost reduction is leveraging the deep neural network and generative diffusion based architecture, a kind of AI model that minimizes the need of the expensive time consuming laboratory experiment and also reducing the drug development cost. And also it's a versatility in prediction. The latest advancement in AI tools such as AlphaFold 3, that Rhodes TTF fold atom extend beyond the predicting static protein structure. This can now predict the interaction involving any combination of protein, DNA, RNA, small molecules and also ions, which broaden the scope of the drug development research. There is a many limitation in this AI. First of all, there is a limited prediction accuracy. The AI tools achieve up to 80% of the accuracy in predicting drug target interaction. However, this accuracy drops significantly for more complex interaction like protein RNA, that revealing the challenge in modeling intricate biological phenomena. And also there is a restriction application in the drug development phase. AI tools enhance the target discovery and drug target interaction but don't affect the preclinical or clinical trial. So the drug candidates still need the traditional testing and have no guaranteed success in later stages. And also model of hallucination, that is a diffusion based AI model can experience model hallucination, generating the incorrect or non-existent prediction due to the insufficient and poor quality of training data and limits the output reliability. And also there is a restricted access of the drug advanced tool. Restricted access to advanced tools, that unlike early versions, the advanced tools or AlphaFold 3 is publicly available. This is restrict the independent verification and broader use, especially in the critical studies like proteins and small molecule interaction. There is a limitation. There is a limited use of AI for drug development in India. There is a lack of advanced infrastructure. There is a India need extensive computing resource like high-speed GPUs and AI-driven drug development, and also GPU costly and quickly become outdated. So due to this rapid technological advancement, there's a shortage of the skilled AI professional. Also one of the reasons, there is a significant gap of the availability of the AI scientists in India compared to other countries like China and US. The shortage hinders the capacity to innovate to develop the AI tools within the country. There is a moreover, AI powered drug screening and target identification. AI can analyze the vast biological data set, identify the potential drug attempts, and also the it works efficiently than traditional method. AI driven human biology models, that is AI can analyze a human driven organisms that minimize the lab grown organs to test the drugs in condition closer to the actual human physiology. And for example, AI model predict how cancer drugs affect the patient specific tumors, allowing for tailored treatment, and also it reducing the animal testing and also AI simulation. AI powered silico computer based testing can replace many animal trials by predicting toxicity and also drug efficacy using the human biological data. And also AI optimized clinical trial, that is identify the ideal patient group for clinical trial, reducing the bias and improving the trial efficacy. And also it may be very faster and also more cost effective drug discovery. So these are the main advantages from the by making drug testing more precise, faster and more relevant to the human biology. AI is transforming medicine, that with continued advancement, AI driven drug discovery could soon replace the outdated method, making treatment safer, more personalized and also more effective. Thank you so much.